Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's trying to top best rookies, iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called a Blaze, iOS 14. And we have the regular Blaze, colorful animated music backgrounds. This is called Good Wi-Fi and Better Wi-Fi Preferences, removes the RSS hide limit, show no networks, and show MAC address. Supports iOS 10 to 14. This is called Wi-Fi Passwords and shows you the passwords to the Wi-Fi network that you're already connected to. And this is another one, Wi-Fi Passwords List, and it does the same thing, shows you passwords to Wi-Fi you're already connected to. This is called Friday, Judge JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Wi-Fi List, and with that you can see all the Wi-Fi passwords entered to your device or no device if you have iCloud. This is called Tweak Reviews DB, easy read and create reviews about your tweets with Tweak Reviews DBs. You can mark patches as working or not working so people know whether the tweet is working on their iOS version or not. This is called Lower attempts to locate all visual text everywhere. And lower the media controls notification center height on iOS 11, 12, and 13. Your low install, I really want this week updated to support iOS like 13 and 14, but unfortunately it's not working on the latest iOS 13 and 14 or iOS 12. I think it only works like iOS 10 or 9 or below, whatever. Allows you to applications and lower iOS version. I really wish we could have this week updated. This is called Open JDK 8 JDK and Open JDK 8 runtime environment. And Open JDK 8 JRE and Open JDK 8 runtime environment. This is called Diary, Dear Diary, Windows 10 or 11 lock screen replica. This is called Skinny Settings. I'll make your settings minimal, sleek, and more useful. Supports iOS 8 to 14. This is called Skinny HUD, gives you visual options to hide or disable the background, the panel and dots of the volume HUD box. Skinny Menu hides the share and lookup option from the copy paste menu. This is called Customification, somewhat customizable settings page. Dude, this guy. This is called Custom Media and Custom your media player. This is called Lock Plus Pro and it has over 10,000 downloadable free themes. Both iOS 9 to 14. And last is called Set by Tweak Support and the support library for tweets. So, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.